27. Kapag 4 winning numbers naman ang inyong nakuha, 1.2 million pesos ang premyong paghahatian. And our fourth number is 33. At 1.3 million pesos will be equally divided to all who gets 5 winning numbers sa lucky winning combination. The fifth number is 24. Isang bola na lamang pong hihintay natin para makumpleto ng Super Million Combination. Sana lucky number niyo na po ang mapili. And for our sixth and final number, we have 42. Again, here are the official winning numbers for the Super Lotto 649 draw. We have 44, 13, 27, 33, 24, and 42 in any order for the jackpot prize of 37,124,132 pesos and 84 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. 1.5 million pesos. The fifth number is 17. Isang numero na lamang pong hintay natin para makumpleto ng Ultra Million Combination. And our sixth and final number is 39. Again, tonight's official Ultra Lotto 658 winning numbers in any order. 15, 5, 45, 11, 17, and 39 for the jackpot prize of 128 million pesos, net of the agent's prize commission.
Dito po sa 3D Lotto, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso ninyo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers nyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At eto na po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number, 1. The second number, 3. And the third number, 4. Muli po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 1, 3, and 4 in exact order. Diretso na tayo sa panalong dala ng dalawang masuswerteng numero. It's time for the 9 p.m. edition of the 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo pag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang maiuuwi ninyo. Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At nakapili na ng 2D Lotto winning numbers. For the first number, we have 11. And the second number is 7. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 11 and 7 in exact